You gotta have a sense of humor. You never get through life, right?
Exactly. I am so happy that we're to hockey class.
Yeah.
That's such a good energy. Look, they're still chasing them. They're ganging up on them over there.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
The crows are actually knocking red-tailed hawk out of the sky and pecking to death on the ground.
Wow, look at that. They must have some nests around here that he's looking for.
That's like Star Wars.
Yeah, it is. You're right.
I tell my kids, look at nature. You get to learn about yourself.
Yep.
Watch the animals, like the videoed head.
What is it?
Videoed heads.
Videoed head. What's that?
That's when you get a bunch of older women that work in an office and always pecking back and forth.
Okay.
Watch the hens. All right.
Look at the lobster man. Look, Joe.
Rock lobster.
I tell people when I'm sitting out here and I have this on, I said I'm out here baking like a lobster.
Oh my gosh.
They're gonna start taking selfies.
Yeah, very cute. Adorable.
Soulmates.
Adorable.
I think it's funny when the elderly act like that.
Yeah.
Guys are full of life.
Yeah. You gotta make fun of yourself. I told
her that picture while they're still young. They're still beating up on them.
The lobster and the witch. Yeah.
Goes on in Sanatoga.
Hello there. Did you ever hear of this topic before?
No, ma'am.
You can take this home with you and look at it. It's 10 things on there. But I can answer your questions if you think of one. Oh. I thought I heard this. Put that over there and that on top. Then it doesn't blow away. $11:30.
Oh, okay. Gotta go. I have other things to do. Oh, yep, yep, that's the same thing. My daughter's at home. Well, I can only imagine. That's it. Exactly. I don't want to do
Hi there.
Hi.
Did you ever hear this topic? I can give you something that you can take along. There's 10 things on here that you can think about.
Okay.
Good dinner conversation.
Thank you.
Oh, great. I was out long before I was
Hi, did you ever hear this topic before?
But I'm not interested in it.
There's a brochure you can take along and look at the things.
Okay, I don't believe in it.
Well, you never looked at it though.
Yeah, I have. Haven't read it yet.
Okay, that's all right.
Yeah. He's not here today.
Exactly. Well, I told him he had 2 votes. I don't think he needed. Don't listen.
I hear a car. They come one side or the other, then I get up. And I can hardly see. $11.44. Okay.
Sweetgrass jam.
Oh,
When you
aren't
open
you
it,
sweet?
When you open it, refrigerate it.
Okay. Thank you, sweetheart.
Sacred eating.
Okay.
I don't know how it is. I never eat it. But it's organic. No. I think it's chicken is one. Don't take it vegetarian. Usually want to put that in not I just and I planted it. That's for bringing you down. Let's do that. But did you see the red tail hawk that came flying over?
I saw it, but I didn't know what it
Don't
was.
sit down. Flew over.
How can you tell what that is?
You look up with the altitude, and then the hell fan, and it's red. Not like that. Nope. I hope that you got more strength. What you can do is call her up and get on her list for future success. And you can do that. So, your time too, people stop. And they can check on I know people won't do that. But I come out of that. Last time I was there, it was just elbows.
Just like the little red meat and girl, I realized it's one of the guys' wives. She's being advertised. She works for Pasta Farm. We gave her a date. She's going to the advertisement. One Saturday, and I'll let you people know. And I found something. I didn't know it. It's in front of the TV.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
But someone does advertise in the place, so learning passively from my own fire company can do the advertising.
Hi, did you ever hear this before? Did you ever hear about this before?
No.
No? Well, there's a lot of scientific evidence that's pointing to our government telling us lies.
Oh, really?
There's 10 things in here that you can look at. But this is like the flat Earth map that we're using. The North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge.
Yeah.
And look, these world organizations use the flat Earth map. But they leave off Antarctica. They don't want you to know that it goes around. And see how it is? It's like an edge, and it holds in the oceans.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're lying to us. They want us to think that it's a spinning ball,
Yeah.
and it's not. It's something that was created. It's like a terrarium, and there's all sorts of electromagnetic things that go along with this, with the flat Earth, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So Actually, there's like free-flowing electricity up in the atmosphere. Did you ever hear that before?
Yes.
Yeah, and we should be collecting that. And I think the government does, but then charges us for it.
Sure.
And then here, like this is Chicago, across 60 miles of Lake Michigan. But if there really was a curve,
Yeah.
that would be down below the curve, like 2,400 feet over 60 miles, according to a formula based on their globe, okay? So it's flat. There is no curve. We can't find it anywhere. Look, if it's on the reflection on a flat surface, look, it goes right on the table. You get the line. But if it was a curved surface, you'd get just a little spot. And you can do that experiment at home with glossy paper and a light bulb. You can check that out. So here's perspective. This is why we think things go over the curve, because of perspective. You know, these railroad tracks, they continue, but they go to a point, the vanishing point. Well, if there's only two planes, the sky and the sea, you get the vanishing line. And that's why you think a ship goes over the curve, because it just vanishes into the line. But we have zoom cameras now. You can zoom in on it and bring them right back into focus. So they don't go over a curve, in other words. That's the thing, there's no curve. NASA, they put out, we have videos when they do a spacewalk where there's a little bubble that goes up their helmet. How does that happen in outer space? That doesn't happen. It only happens in a pool. They are lying to us. It's just ridiculous how much they lie to us. This is on their website. Same diameter, but look, this is the United States here. Here's the United States here. Which one's true? None, because it's all computer generated. It's not a real picture. They just make them on the computers, and that's Hollywood. It's all Hollywood stuff. The moon landing was Hollywood too. So if you look at those 10 things, you can do that, and then on the front there's a website. Yeah, there's a website. It has more. So it's good, something good to think about. Talk
Yeah.
with your buddies and chew on
I was on
it.
a submarine for 10 years. I went around and around. And
Yeah, but
never
wait
came
a
to
minute.
the
How about your sonar? How far does that go?
end. It all depends on what type we're talking about. We had underwater sonar and we had navigational sonar.
Yeah.
Pretty far, yeah.
So it has to be able to be, it doesn't, you can't bounce it off anything. I mean, it's like,
Yeah, infinite. Yeah,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you run out of range, the
Yeah.
sonar won't go anywhere.
yeah, but see now, like I said here, this would be 2,400 feet over 60 miles. How long did your sonar go? Maybe 20 miles or
Maybe,
so?
at the most.
Well, the curvature formula is 8 inches times a mile squared. That's the curvature for a 24,901 equator. So see if that would work. I don't know what 20 miles would be right in my head.
Yeah.
20 times 20 times 8. And that's inches divided by 12, which is feet.
I have to read over this.
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's all worth it for that kind of stuff. It's worth it. It's worth it. I almost didn't get up.
You can live up in the area, up in the 7th area. Go to bed, you get something to know. I've got to show you something. Now, I'm going to
There it goes. Got a little suction out. Mm. Now I'm going to see if my ears ring.
Yeah. But so-and-so, he said, she said. I don't care what he said, she said. I said. There's too much of that out there. That technology, if they use, everybody can sneaky. Sneaky. You know, and if my kids, I'm talking. And you want me to get a primitive solution for a modern day problem? I'll just let you after that. I'm talking to you. You pick up. If you do stuff. I don't get that. They were little. And I had to run it. I would say, they would say, you watch TV. Okay? I don't know. No, I don't ask. As a parent, you don't ask questions if you're already getting answers. You know, well, this is, you watch like all well, what do you have to do? You can have a
Oh, there, did you ever hear this topic before?
You're at this flat?
Yeah, there's 10 things on here you can look at home and decide for yourself. It'll make you think, though.
I know the Earth is flat.
You know that?
Knew that.
Well,
Did you know
I only found out 2 years ago.
that? There you have it.
Well, you're smarter than me.
Well, what's it say? The Earth is flat. What's
Well,
the word for it?
yeah, but there's science behind it. That's what I'm showing you on that pamphlet.
Ah. I
Yeah.
knew there had to be
And
something
the
to it.
government is lying. You know, they'd never lie to us, though, would they?
Only the first 4,000 years.
Yeah. Yeah, so the government is doing this big time, and they want to tell us anything, and they want us to accept whatever they say. That means they can control us with that, with whatever they say.
Well,
They can
that's
send us off to wars, but the horizon is always at your eye level. Even if you're in a plane or on Mount Everest, that means that there is no ball because it doesn't ever go down, doesn't ever curve down.
Yes, it does. If you stand on the beach down the shore,
Yeah,
and if you could see the whole Earth,
right here. That's the ocean.
well, the ocean's on the other side of that.
No, the blue is the ocean, and this is the sky.
Yeah.
Okay.
You won't see the curvature.
No, you won't.
Yes, you will.
Where will you see it?
On both ends of the ocean. It's very slight, but it's there.
Well, there's a formula. It's 24,901 equator that goes around.
Okay.
Okay? So there has to be a geometric equation for that?
Oh, I'm sure there is.
Okay, so here it is. It's 8 inches times the miles squared. That's your parabola. Okay, that's the curve.
But it is there.
Okay, so you have Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan.
Yeah.
Where's the curve? It's not there. That should be
I
down.
don't believe down
That
the
should
shore.
be down 2,400 feet.
I don't believe when I see the horizon, I'm looking at 60 miles. It's probably more like 20 miles, and it's 20 miles.
No, this
altogether.
was one shore of Lake
think
Michigan over to the other Chicago.
I'm not
We have
gonna argue it,
high-powered zoom camera. No, you can look at that and you can decide later.
Okay.
Or you don't have to. It's up to you. But
No,
I'm going to give you the
entertaining.
information.
All right.
How's that?
That's fine. You have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Hey, your husband's over there making more money than you made all day.
Well, that's all he's done today. It takes a village to raise the baby. Why don't we sit down as a people, find out what we have to talk about? Exactly. We always support our parents. It's not about the shit. It's about becoming more confident stuff. I don't stop after the doctor stuff. And remember that, you judge each other all the time. And if I get mad at somebody, I'm like, come on. Get up. Let's go back there. They know how I act. One day I like you, next day I don't. I'm not having lunch with you today. But see, that's, it's accepted. I don't go bash, but I'm not sure. I'll get over it. In my space, I'll get over it, and we'll be done. You can tell me again. Yeah, but you have the right to also control it. Because if you don't control it, then you're out of. Yep. So you are taking yourself in a situation to please you. A lot of people don't. They just want to stand there and just, ow. Sure. Because you're what people what for you? What's that look like?
The only thing I like about that is that
you have the right to express it and respect others. They have no compassion. They're totally Yeah, look where it is. That's why you were saying. And what time is it? At least 2.5 hours. That's actually true. Everybody laughs. Hey, Joey, this thing, I'm like, oh, but it's the biggest one. There's a lot of places to go. You know, I don't want to watch. Yeah, South Orange is still not work. They don't have people. So the, you know, and it's not that that's what we do. If you so long, I promise you you'll be okay. So they cut the air supply off, then you gotta work. But yeah, right now, you're cool. I guarantee you will walk over to the restaurant or over there to Tomatoes. I guarantee you will. But it's a... No! I'm the oldest. I raised enough kids in my life. I've changed enough diapers. But they walk. You know,
Go!
Ah, less than an hour to go. Right, they said 1 o'clock, right?
Yeah. I started.
Yeah,
It takes me a long time to pack. So.
yeah.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, Charlie?
You said you were going to start packing.
I am.
You're not packing.
I picked up 2 things of sweetgrass jam. I don't know how to get this. I got to
I
go.
like the new idea.
Okay. Okay.
I like the new idea.
Okay. Yeah, with the farmer. Oh, yeah. That's right now. Yeah. I'll be that's because I needed a primitive solution for a modern problem, a sledgehammer. Sanatoga. And they're working on the road.
No, they need a bigger sign.
Yeah.
Well, we already talked about that. We got the ladies going to be advertising, we're going to have 2 big signs, business and up there, big signs.
Yeah.
Do it a Saturday when we draw the crowd from there.
And have a sign there maybe for a week or 2 weeks
Yeah.
beforehand so people drive by and see it every day.
There's one on the fire company billboard flashed up, but you don't catch the flash. Because it has
Well, that's what I told you
And,
that
and
flash.
you know what? People driving through all the time don't really look at that.
You're right.
I know I don't. I don't.
Give
I
me,
drive right by it. I won't
give
even
me the
know.
benefit of the doubt. It's the first time I set one
Oh,
of these up.
no, that's what I'm saying.
This-
We
I
learned
appreciate you guys coming out now. We learned what we need to do better.
Well, see, the thing of it is you listen to everybody
We're going to
else.
give her punching bags.
You have to listen to the vendors. The vendors will tell you how to get the show organized. And, you know, by
Put on
listening
the
to everybody's
billboard,
advice.
flat earth theory.
It's not a theory, it's a fact.
She kept telling me I eat too much jello. We'll have a jello pit out there.
You will believe!
And you can add to the farmer's market by having a bikini farm.
Let's get him with these naked girls again?
know.
What's going on?
I don't know. He even gave me that coat to fix.
He would have been bad if he let you say your opinion. That's where he aggravated me.
What's that?
That guy can hold these papers out and never let you talk.
I know, he never let me answer anything.
Papers, but he should have took yours.
He never did.
That's
No,
why
you know what
was
he was?
leaving.
One of these, I know everything, and not giving somebody the opportunity
Yeah.
to say their stuff in a peaceful manner. She's protected by the First Amendment of the Constitution.
Yep.
She can sit there and say, you know, the fire company had big green ball. You know, she can stay there with her signs or whatever else. You don't see the
That's right.
That's all that matters. They're protected by the First Amendment. I'm going to back up.
You are.
Yeah.
We heard that before.
I know. I know. I say a lot of things. I just get lost. Just a lost
You
soul.
didn't get lost. You've been lost.
Ah.
But you weren't supposed to tell it to everybody. You weren't supposed to broadcast that.
Oh.
That was a secret.
I have a pool at home. Chili is not.
Now it's out of the back.
Yeah. I was at a wedding where you only look like you're like a month. I'm like, no, I'm super.
No, my secrets. Broadcasted my secrets. What I do to you? I thought you were my friend. No more orange in my car.
Everybody comes in and that gets warmed up.
Yeah.
Small.
No more orange in my car. Look.
I already put a list of how many people are allowed in my room at the hospital.